Hi, my name is John Vincent Giarios and I'm 16 years old and I'm live in Camachiles, Sapang Biabas, Resettlement Phase 1. And my strength is fast learner, typing skills, writing skills, and leadership, and multitasking. My hobbies is playing games and cooking. My interest is naturally processing information, retrieval, creating writing, problem solving, and conversation management, and staying updated on advancement in technology. My edge is teams for my capacity to swiftly adjust to new conditions and master new abilities efficiently, and I thrive in dynamic circumstances where I can use my problem solving abilities and creativity to develop novel situations. Furthermore, I great work ethic and driven to continually develop and exceed expectation. That is all. Thank you for listening.